Hello everyone and welcome to part 7 of our tutorial series. In this one we'll be using custom effects to create a special effect in our UI. Custom effects allow you to use Unreal Engine materials to create effects that otherwise would be impossible using standard CSS properties. In our case, we'll be creating this glitch effect where our car bumps into any of the other cars. In this video we'll be starting again in Unreal Engine by creating the material that will create our glitch effect. So we've already made one and we've called it custom FX glitch, which is just this simple. We used this tort UV that we have gotten from the internet. Just to show you a quick reference, of course you can create any one you want, but for this we'll just use a pre-made and not go into the details. And I'll add to the description down below a link to our documentation where you can see how to create some other neat effects, and you can experiment on your own as well. But for this one we'll just create this texture sample, we pass on the UVs, the texture, and add the final color and the opacity. We have this texture. There's another thing that we must do, and this is we need to go to our project settings. So this should be in project settings, and let's go to our plugins, and there we need to find Gameface. And in Gameface there is this option, configure for custom effects and compositor API, and we need to set it to true in order for it to work. And last but not least, we need to add this to our game's C++ code. So for this game, we have this racing1.cpp, and let's just open it to the VS Code to show you what's going on. But I won't get into many details as this tutorial is aimed at the front end. The most important thing here is this f-string where we have the material that is associated, which we copy the same way we did for the custom, where we just copy the reference and we set this string to the name. So now that we have this, we can go into our code. Okay, move here, and let's add to our body custom effect name, let's call it, and it should be glitch. Now we've set in the C++. So if we run our game, everything should be glitchy, just like the effect that we've created. Okay, but of course we don't want to do this all the time. So to do this, we've added to our sports car we've added box collision, and in our level blueprint we listen to the begin overlap event of this box collision, and when we code car hit, so when our car hits something, we'll check first if it's ready for bindings, and if it is, we'll create this JavaScript event called hit. Now in our script we can simply do this, and let's create a timer so that we know if the effect is going on, and we can do if timer. Let's clear the timeout. This is because if you already have a timer, we can we can just reset it and it will go longer if we have continuous hits on our car. So we can go, now we can add to the body, let's add document body, style, and we could just do custom effect name, and let's get again glitch. And now we can set our timer, which will be a set timeout for, let's say, 1 second. And inside, when the 1 second elapses, we can just say set the custom effect name to none, and let's set the timer back to no, so that it doesn't try to clear it again. And when we have this, we can simply start our game. But before we start it, we have to remove this property that we've added. So custom effects are actually used by this custom effect property, and you can have multiple ones registered and use them throughout your UI. But for our case, and now when we try it, we can start our car, and whenever we hit, everything should just glitch. Okay, let's try this again. And there we have it. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and share the video. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel. We'll be adding more content in the future, so if you have any ideas, leave us a comment down below. In the next and last video of this series, we'll be showing you how to profile your UI, spot any performance issues, and some ways you can tackle them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.